In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a 20-year-old chef from St. Catherine who believes his unusual culinary skills will not only entice palates, but change the mindset of Jamaicans who are hesitant to try new dishes. Here's Kian Morgan.
Cooking, not have no limit.
Ramesh D'Souza, better known as the Aki Chef, is on a mission to spread his culinary creativity across the globe. Growing up in a restaurant, the Portmore resident says while he wasn't fond of cooking, learning the skill was mandatory.
I was one of them frying chicken every day. I have to learn how to fry chicken, and that become my responsibility.
And by age 7, a learned skill became a hobby.
I start cook my local pot out the door when them used to left the coal stove. Buy a one mackerel, do my local thing, burn up the scallion, throw the mackerel in the pot, and then them never know how food cook or whatever. They used to throw some curry in the mackerel, They used to just do one bag of random something.
Ramesh gained popularity online after a video of his Aki ice cream went viral. He's known for experimenting in the kitchen.
I make Aki and jerk pork. I make Neesberry jerk pork. I make soursop festival. I make carrot roti.
And on today's menu, soursop roti, burger potato salad, and Aki and jerk chicken. Ramesh says brainstorming new ideas keeps his blood pumping.
Can't just eat the same thing over and over again. Plus, I love to teach people. Love when people can open up them eyes and see certain things and certain things can go together. Especially Jamaican people, them love burn out certain things. So me come about, prove everybody wrong.
But where did he get his inspiration from?
It just come to me. Like the more I do it, and the more I see this is something I'm really good at, I just stick to that.
However, the support he's getting now wasn't always there.
If a negative people I say this and that, I can't give them the glory. We give up and throw in the towel and make them feel like say, alright, here's the road stop. Like my road never stop. My supporters them one of my biggest fuel as well. Post my next video, see them like, comment, share, and I'm just look forward to the growth in general.
His dream to be recognized internationally.
I'm not gonna come to my restaurant and just say jerk chicken, fried chicken. You're gonna see some of my creative ideas them. And I'm just build them as I go along. So I'm finally up my restaurant if I even want cook shop to start with.
And in reaching one's goals, Ramesh believes one ought to be humble and persistent.
Anybody out there, we are do something different, do something weird. Like just be yourself. You feel like we put one stick and one stone together and call it something and you run with it.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.